Hello, everyone. Welcome to our first video on drone cinematography. Today, we're diving into the camera's perspective from the sky and exploring the aesthetics of aerial filmmaking. Drone photography is more than just operating a device. It's an art form that creates unique visual perspectives. To ensure a safe and successful shoot, it's crucial to understand updated drone regulations and the features of the latest drone models before you take off. First, let's look at the core aesthetics of drone cinematography. Drones offer a dynamic, moving perspective that we can't experience from the ground, breathing new emotion and context into familiar landscapes. The first element is the perspective of height. It delivers the intricate beauty of architecture and the grand, three-dimensional feel of nature in an intuitive way. The second is the perspective of movement. Smooth camera movements allow for seamless transitions from one scene to the next. The third is the perspective of space. By capturing both the subject and its surroundings in a single frame, it delivers impressive scale while providing rich context for your story. So, what are the 5 key cinematic techniques commonly used in aerial shooting? First, there's the wide aerial shot, which captures expansive scenery all at once to maximize visual immersion. Second, the tracking shot follows subjects like vehicles or people at a steady distance, emphasizing speed and rhythm. Third, the overhead shot captures the scene from a 90-degree angle directly above, creating a flat, graphic aesthetic with strong structural contrast. Fourth, the reveal shot ascends over obstacles like buildings or trees to unveil hidden landscapes, building dramatic tension. Fifth, the orbit shot rotates 360 degrees around a subject, bringing out its full three-dimensional depth. However, before capturing these beautiful shots, there are 2 crucial things to check: drone regulations and gear selection. Let's start with the rules. Based on FAA guidelines in the United States, drones weighing over 0.55 pounds, or 250 grams, must be registered with the FAADroneZone. This includes many popular drones, though ultralight models under 250 grams are often exempt for recreational use. Pilot certification is also essential. For hobbyists, passing the trust test is required, while commercial pilots need a Part 107 license. Additionally, always check airspace classifications via FAA-approved airspace apps before flying near airports or in controlled airspace. If you're planning night flights, your drone must be equipped with anti-collision lighting visible for up to 3 statute miles, along with proper remote ID compliance. So, which drone should you choose? For beginners, lightweight drones under 250 grams, like the DJI Mini series, are highly recommended for their portability and easy compliance. If you're looking for more advanced cinematic controls and higher image quality, a multi-camera drone like the DJI Mavic series is a fantastic choice. Next, here are 4 key elements for creating high-quality drone videos. First, seamless connections. Ensure transitions between cuts feel natural without abrupt changes in speed or direction. Second, a steady flight speed. Avoid sudden acceleration or deceleration to maintain a smooth, harmonious flow. Third, clear intentionality. Give meaning to the beginning and end of each shot to strengthen your storytelling. Fourth, harmony with the environment. Position your subjects so they blend naturally with their surroundings rather than feeling isolated. Finally, here are 3 practical tips for beginner pilots. First, observe your surroundings before takeoff. Pay close attention to your subject's path and the direction of lighting. Second, stick to simple straight-line flights. A slow, steady straight shot often delivers much cleaner, more stable visuals than complex rotational maneuvers. Third, always plan your flight ahead, even for a short 1-minute video. Outline your shot sequence and framing before launching. A drone is far more than a flying device. It's a powerful tool for designing new perspectives from above. By following basic safety guidelines and practicing foundational techniques, anyone can create breathtaking aerial films. In our next video, Cinematic Drone Shooting Part 2. The Power of Angles in Movement. We'll cover practical flight controls and deeper visual storytelling tips. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next flight.